Is Jamaica going cashless? What is Lynk? What is a digital wallet? The Proceeds of Crime Act allows the Bank of Jamaica to permit the creation of accounts with low risk and less stringent Know Your Customer (KYC) requirements for opening bank accounts. The Central Bank Digital Currency (CBDC) JAMDEX is a legal tender that allows for the remote transfer of funds anywhere and anytime. Lynk is Jamaica's first digital wallet for sending and receiving money between users and can be accessed from your smartphone. Lynk is set to revolutionize the financial landscape. But is it safe? Hi, I'm Shakiel Rochester Shorter and welcome to Finance Matters. Today I will be speaking with Mr. Vernon James, CEO of Lynk, about the future of the Jamaican economy through Lynk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow the Ministry of Finance on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to see all the episodes and highlights. Thanks for joining us today. So why must we trust Lynk?
Well, Lynk is affiliated with NCB. And the same standards, the same security standards that are behind the NCB internet banking,
yes,
and also the mobile app also are ingrained and designed in Lynk. So you can rest assured that we'll have that high level of security. But on top of that, Lynk is we're a wallet that has a biometric onboarding process. That means that we use either your face or your fingerprint, and that is supported by a PIN, a personal PIN that you use in case the biometric fails. You can use your PIN.
Okay.
So you have two levels of security, and that's the gold standard in the world right now about the digital onboarding process. So we're fairly proud. It's been a long journey to design that process and make it easy so that people can use it and get on and enjoy using Lynk. But you can rest assured that we've designed the highest standards of security in that process.
So there's facial recognition, software, and fingerprint.
Yes.
So tell us now.
And PIN.
And PIN.
And PIN.
So tell us now about the recently launched ABM cash-in, cash-out feature.
Great. So this is an exciting feature for us. And the reason is, finally, anybody with a Lynk account can go into an ABM. You don't have a bank account. You don't need a bank account. And you can add or withdraw money from your Lynk account just using your phone. So no card necessary, you just use your phone. What it means is, for people who don't have bank accounts, can create a Lynk account.
Okay.
You can now cash into your Lynk account. You can pay your bills. You can top up. And in very short order, you can do so much more with it. I mean, what Lynk is an ecosystem. We are creating a network of customers,
okay,
that use it. And those customers can do their payments. They can transfer to other people. Very shortly, you'll be able to pay all merchants.
All merchants?
All merchants, or most of them. Let me not say all. You have small, medium, large.
Yes.
Small merchants you can pay through P2P. Medium, we're about to launch our merchant platform, which allows merchants to be able to, through a static QR code, they can have people pay them. And for large merchants, we're building an interface with
when you say
the
pay
point
them,
of sales.
They will see it immediately?
Yes. So, for example, you're going to a store and you have a QR code that the customer can scan. So, you agree on a price and so on.
Okay.
The customer can scan. That QR code is connected to the merchant, and the customer pays, and the payment goes directly to the merchant through Lynk. That is going to be launched fully, I would say, in the next couple of weeks.
I don't even know if I should be asking you this question, but based on all you're saying, do you see Jamaica going cashless like a Sweden or a United Kingdom?
Of course, why not? The world requires convenience, and the movement of value requires the removal of barriers. So in other words, when you spend cash, you always have to go and get that cash. Whether you go to an ABM or you go to a bank, you have to go and get the cash. In a digital world, the cash is always there. So the value of the cash is always there. You don't have to get it. So if you have a digital wallet, you have the value in your account, you can spend it right away, and you can move value between different people and different entities immediately. That has to be the future of the world, because the world moves at a very fast pace and business is transacted very, very quickly, almost instantaneously in some cases, instantaneously in others. So the restriction that cash represents in terms of the need to have to go and get it, the security risk in getting it and so on, is properly solved by the digital methods of payment. So I do believe that that is the future of money, and I believe is the future of banking and is the future of business, which is TFOB, that is Lynk.
Okay, quickly tell us how many subscribers Lynk have at this time and what's the most used service on the platform?
All right, so we are 9 months old now since we launched. We're actually about nearly 2 years now. But we're 9 months since we launched to the public. We have 145,000 customers. And that has been quite a rapid growth. Every time we launch features, we'll have new customers that come on. Because they find other reasons to use the app. So we're very happy for where we are, and we're very happy for where we're going.
So I got an email recently to state that this is a new week. Here's a chance to win 10,000. Is that a legitimate email, and how can I, take advantage of this?
So every campaign that we run, we put it in our social media feeds. So whether you go on Instagram or Twitter and so on, you will see it. That's one way, probably the best way to verify that our campaigns are legitimate. But, Lynk is a living, breathing entity. So yes, we run these campaigns. I do recommend, though, that you do double check with our official social media handles, official social media accounts, to verify that the campaigns are legitimate. Because this is the world, there are many fake pages and so on that go up.
Yes.
Please verify them with our official accounts.
I hear you saying that Jamaicans can trust Lynk, but we have Jamaicans who will not trust digital currency. They will doubt it. What do you have to say to them?
Well, I can appreciate why they might have some distrust. Cash has been in existence for thousands of years. So this is actually a pivotal moment in human history when we are moving from physical store of value, cash, gold, and those sorts of physical value stores, to digital stores. And you can tell from all the things that are happening in the space how rapidly the adoption of digital is taking place. The things that you can do using the digital channels exceed what you can do with the physical cash. So for example, you can shop online.
Yes.
I don't think they've created a method yet where you can physically go and shop in an online space.
Not that I'm aware of.
More and more businesses are using the online platform to attract customers and to transact with customers. But just to go back to your question, more and more people are doing transactions digitally, online. So, if you want to do those sorts of transactions, you're really going to have to open up a sort of online or digital account. Why not use Lynk?
The future is digital. That's what I'm hearing from you, Mr. James. Mm-hmm. All right, so if I'm traveling overseas, can I leave my credit cards and depend on Lynk?
So that's a good question. So right now you can cash into Lynk using local debit and credit cards, or you can cash into Lynk, of course, using cash, or you can cash into Lynk from a transfer from another Lynk account holder. I would say watch the space. Right now, Lynk is limited to local cash-in methods, but Lynk has more regional and perhaps global expansion ideas. So watch the space. We'll as we launch new features and as we expand, then I suspect we may be able to launch some more international cash-in features.
Okay. So quickly before we go, tell us how we can find out more information about Lynk.
So you can go on our website. You can go on our Instagram page. It's a very vibrant page. We also do a lot of social media posting through Twitter.
Okay.
I don't think you have to search for Lynk. Lynk is all over social media. Just follow us at Lynk Jamaica on Instagram or on Twitter. And you can also go on our website and you'll see all of our information there on all of the offers and all the features for our products.
Okay, thank you, Mr. James, for coming on our program and telling us why we need to trust Lynk. And thank you for joining us on this episode of Finance Matters. Remember to follow us on social media at MoF Jamaica and tune in next week as we continue to demystify the economic and fiscal policies and initiatives implemented by the government to empower Jamaicans as we chart a path to Jamaica's economic prosperity.
Outfit for the Host was sponsored by Fashion 911 Limited, located at 16 Windsor Avenue, Kingston 5. Visit fashion911.com and follow them on social media at fashion911_JA.